This show is brought to you by NMDC Group.
Yahsat is awarded a $5.1 billion government contract, and Wall Street tanks, closing at its lowest level since June. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Abu Dhabi-listed satellite company Yahsat has been awarded a $5.1 billion contract by the UAE government to provide satellite capacity and managed services for 17 years. The contract will replace two current agreements, which end in November this year and December 2026. Under the new contract, Yahsat will provide the government with secure and reliable satellite capacity and related managed services using its two satellites, which are currently in orbit, and two new satellites set for launch in 2027 and 2028. The Central Bank of Egypt has kept its interest rates unchanged despite inflationary pressures. It's maintaining rates at between 19.25 and 20.25%. It says recent inflation data came broadly in line with expectations. The CBE has an inflation target of 7% on average by Q4 2024 and 5% on average by Q4 2026. In August, Egypt's annual consumer price inflation soared to a record 39.7%, a massive jump from the 15.3% rate in the same month last year. Wall Street tanked in a broad sell-off overnight as investor risk appetite was quashed by worries that interest rates will remain higher for longer. All three major U.S. stock indices tumbled more than 1%, and benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury yields touched a 16-year peak. Interest rate-sensitive megacaps led by Amazon, Nvidia, Apple, and Alphabet dragged the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq to their lowest closing levels since June. And that brings us to today's Forbes RealTime Billionaires ranking, which tracks the daily wins and losses of the world's wealthiest people. It reflects those Wall Street losses overnight, with our biggest loser today, Jeff Bezos. He's down $5.9 billion, now with net wealth of $152.1 billion. Our second biggest loser today is Elon Musk, down $4.9 billion, with net wealth of $256.5 billion. And our third place loser is Larry Ellison, down $4 billion, with net wealth of $139.9 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. Cisco wasn't spared. Its shares dipped 4% to $53. The drop came after the computer networking giant agreed to buy cybersecurity company Splunk in a $28 billion deal, its biggest ever acquisition. Cisco is known mostly for routers and network equipment. Splunk is a software platform that uses AI to help users dig through data in real time to identify malware and cyber threats. Cisco says their combined capabilities will drive the next generation of AI-enabled security and observability. E-commerce giant Shein is sending more low-priced apparel to U.S. warehouses from China to speed up shipping times for shoppers there. That's according to data from Import Genius. It's in a bid to compete with rivals like Target, Walmart, and Amazon on delivery times as it eyes an IPO. Shein is known for its $10 tops and $5 biker shorts. Until recently, it made many American purchasers face wait times of 2 weeks or more to receive their goods, putting it at a competitive disadvantage. And a federal appeals panel has denied Sam Bankman-Fried's request to be released from a New York jail while he awaits his October 3rd trial. It's the latest legal blow to Bankman-Fried after his $250 million bail was revoked last month. His judges say there's probable cause to believe Bankman-Fried attempted to tamper with witnesses to influence them before the trial. He's been denied a cell phone, internet access, and his vegan diet in the Brooklyn Detention Center. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
This show is brought to you by NMDC Group.